Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create Revolut account 2024 absolutely free. What is the process? We will see detailed demonstration in this video. So simply open Google and just put this link here and then enter. I already added this link in video description. So you just simply click this link and come to this page, and here you just simply select your mobile number. Just simply next, success. So if you want create a Revolut account, so you need to download the Revolut application on your mobile screen. You just simply scan this QR code and download the Revolut application in your smartphone. We can move as a mobile screen. Simply open your app store. You are using an iPhone, so you open app store. Otherwise Android users open Play Store and just type here Revolut Revolut and enter. Click, and the second application is displaying your mobile phone, and after download this application, such kind of logo is come here R. So I open this application and I am entering here my mobile number. Like here several countries are available here. You can add which country you located accordingly and select the mobile. I'm using last couple of years and Denmark number, so I'm typing here my Danish number. Just continue. I'm received one OTP on that number. So here access your contact not now, and then after receiving this information, nationality, which nationality you belongs to. I belongs in India, so residence card or work student, so I change. I'm Danish. Select your document, so I'm scanning of my passport here. Accordingly you also scan your passport. I hide some information, so 60% profile is done, and after scan the passport document, within 1 hour your account is activated and you can enable to send money and receive money in this wallet. So it's very easy to create account from a Revolut application. Upcoming videos I am providing you some of the information, how to order physical card, virtual card, how to transfer money, how to exchange, and so much information. So stay tuned. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.